Hello, my name is Martin Gillespie from Hawker Richardson. Today I'm going to demonstrate the Kolver DC electric screwdriver and its error proofing capability. What I have here is an electrical enclosure that's got a rubbery gasket. So what I want to demonstrate is the difference between assembling this enclosure with the gasket on and with the gasket off. So we have a torque of 0.96 Newton meters and an angle of 121 degrees. We have a torque of 1.1 Newton meters and an angle of 504 degrees. We have a torque of 0.94 Newton meters and an angle of 432 degrees. And we have a torque of 0.96 Newton meters and an angle of 750 degrees. We have an OK signal on all four screws. So we'll do the four rundowns again with the gasket missing and see what sort of results we get. Error, minimum angle. Error, minimum angle. Error, minimum angle. Error, minimum angle. Make sure your assemblies are screwed down correctly using the Kolver DC electric smart screwdriver.